Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my program that's designed for people who are always interested in learning how to do their own taxes. This opportunity is now presented to you for the remainder of this year, where it's much simpler to teach you how to do your own taxes based on your own individual situation versus you trying to learn how to do taxes for the masses. And so in this video, I'm going to go through some of the information that this course is going to cover that's designed to teach you how to do your own taxes. So the simpler your situation is, the simpler it is to prepare your own tax returns. And with my guidance and leadership and help, by being in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation for 21 years, 15 as a business owner, I can help you get your taxes done acting professionally based on this training. And so the investment of $297 is what you'll pay. And if you're the person that's always ready to go into a tax service paying anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5 to 600 every year, then this is definitely going to save you that expense every tax season, where you can now sit at home at your own leisure and get your taxes done. And so this program comes with 3 years worth of support. Any questions, concerns you may have throughout the year for those 3 years, you can reach out to me and I'll answer those questions for you. And on top of that, a free website I'm gonna take you to where I'm gonna teach you how to do your own tax return on, and you can pay the $15 to have your state taxes done if you don't have a state that allows you to go to a state website and do them yourself. And so the thing is, this here process of learning how to do your own taxes is laser targeted and specific to you. And so U.S. citizens only is who I'm selling this program to, because people who are not U.S. citizens, we have a lot of information inside the tax code, inside learning how to prepare taxes, that is additional information that takes longer to understand and comprehend when it comes to trying to prepare taxes for people who fall in other categories other than that. And so that's why this tax preparation course was laser targeted for U.S. citizens only. So if you're a U.S. citizen or you're a person who's been living here, who file taxes on a regular basis, uh, you can still purchase this course, because I'm going to treat you like a U.S. citizen by giving you the training that's dedicated to your unique situation when it comes to filing individual 1040 tax returns. So right here, this is part of my presentation, and this here is just give you some information on what the course is going to cover. The course is going to cover the 1040. The course is going to cover Schedule C's, and that's the profit and loss of business, SE, self-employment tax if you had a profit, Publication 596, earned income tax credit, 501 deals with dependents, filing statuses, and that gives you the information that teaches you about those situations. 972 is a publication that's dealing with child tax credit, other dependent credit. And so these three publications, along with the different forms you need to learn about based on your individual situation, is what it's really all about. So this here information will cover the basic situation that a client will fall into, uh, which will vary. So there's some of these forms you might not use if you don't have any children at all. And then there's some forms you will use if you do have children. But the unique thing about this course is it's all about you and your individual situation. So this here site, Free Tax USA, is the site I use to help you learn how to do your own income taxes on the federal level. And they charge you $15 if you want to do your state. And that's if you live in a state that has state filing requirements. If not, then you're just doing a federal tax return. So I'm gonna have videos that I'm gonna prepare for you that's gonna teach you how to use this software that's online at your own leisure, because I don't have the time to hang out with you to show you how to use this software over and over again, day in and day out. So the technology and the software that's available to me that gives me the freedom to help you learn how to prepare your own individual income taxes at your own leisure is what I'll be leveraging. So we'll be doing some live training and some pre-recorded videos that's going to help you learn how to use the software. Is going to be crucial to your overall success because, like I said, I don't have the time to spend with you on an ongoing basis with learning the software when I have at my disposal a way to give you video trainings on how to use the software. And that's how that's going to work when it comes to this course. We're going to go through everything live, and at the same time, we're going to have some video recordings on how to use the software, video recordings on all the different information we went over. That if you're not truly understanding and comprehending what it's talking about, hopefully you'll understand me explaining it inside the video modules that'll be a part of the course. So 1040 is our standard tax return form. Everybody fills out a 1040. This is the personal information section. Uh, the form has been redesigned due to tax reform 2018. And so now the filing statuses are up top. So you choose the appropriate one. And if you're not sure what the appropriate one is, do the training. I'm going to show you which one you should be using versus what you probably always been using for so many years. And so basically, a lot of times people use filing statuses, especially if you're going to the tax service. They normally supposed to help you decide the correct filing status. In some cases, that might not always be the case. So 1040 is the standard form for everybody to fill out. Then Schedule 1, additional income and adjustments to income. So everybody won't have additional income or adjustments to income, and so this won't apply to you. Schedule 2, additional taxes. Everybody won't have additional taxes, so this schedule won't apply to you. Schedule 3, additional credits and payments. We will all have some form of payments, hopefully, especially if you're looking to get some type of refund back. So this is an important section of how we calculate the individual income tax return. Also, 8812, credit for qualifying children and other dependents. This form used to be called the additional child tax credit. They renamed it this year. This here form is for people who pay in child care, in other words, babysitting. So if you got a child that's going to a daycare center or going to someone home to watch your kids while you go to work or school or both, then this form is what we'll fill out on your behalf. The great thing about this year is the IRS is giving you back 50% of what you spent in the form of a refund payment. So if you spent $8,452 for child care for the year, they give you $4,000 of that back on your tax return, which is something they never done before, which is great, which is awesome. This is the EIC, Earned Income Tax Credit form. So for people who either have no kids but made under a certain dollar amount, who is 19 or over, qualify for Earned Income Tax Credit. They lowered the age. It used to be 25 to qualify for Earned Income Tax Credit, especially if you have any dependents. They changed that to 19 now. So for people that's 19 or older who have no kids, now you can qualify for Earned Income Tax Credit based on your income amount. So that's a new change for this year. This is the publication 596, which will help you learn about the Earned Income Tax Credit and how to calculate it to make sure you get the correct amount for you in your situation. Publication 501, Dependent Standard Deduction and Filing Status. Filing information is what you're going to use to learn about how to do your own tax return based on your unique situation. So that's going to vary based on what that looks like for you. This here. Okay. Well, publication didn't come up for some reason. I'm not going to worry about it right now. 1040, we already went through that. So basically, those are the basic information. This here is just my guide that I wrote, that I walk my clients through who looking to start their own tax preparation company. So that's not part of what we're talking about today. And so I'll just go back to the 1040. And so if you're interested in learning how to do your own taxes, it's simpler and easier for me to teach you how to do your own individual unique situation. The investment of $297 is what you're investing, which is going to save you money in the long run, especially if you're the person that's already going to a tax service or going to someone who's charging you anywhere from $3 to $4 to $5 to $600 annually anyway. So this is definitely a opportunity to save money and time and be able to learn how to do your own taxes at your own leisure. And from this opportunity, you might see this being another opportunity to generate additional income because I have other programs that you can invest in that will help you do that. I have the standard program, which is designed to help you start a full-fledged income tax service. And then I have a program where you can partner with me and make additional income by learning how to do taxes and working under me and using all the tools and resources and software that I already have available inside the business that you can leverage to use as well to create additional income for tax season. Or you can simply be a referral partner and refer me people and get a referral fee for all the ones you send throughout the tax year. And for me, I work from January to December of every year doing income taxes, and from October of every year, we e-file tax returns. After October 17th of this year, we no longer e-file. But if a client needed to have a tax return done after October 17th, they would have to mail it in. And mailing is the worst thing to do right now because the IRS is backlogged, they're understaffed, and they're taking way longer than usual to process paper returns. So if you're looking to leverage learning how to do your own taxes, and you want to take advantage of this program and the things that come along with it, uh, I'm gonna leave a link in the video where you can go straight to my site and make the purchase. And I'll see you in my next video.